Hello and welcome back to Growing Family Garden. It's early May and the sun is setting. It's time for us to complete some routine jobs and make sure that we can harvest something fresh so that we've got something to eat tomorrow. First of all, we need to look after our 4 chickens and give them some food and water. Due to a national outbreak of avian flu, Pumpkin, Ember, Pepper and Geraldine are restricted to an enclosure. We built this netted enclosure last year in anticipation, so we knew our girls would still have plenty of space when they became confined. With our hens locked up though, it's given us time to improve their open run and let the grass start to recover. Before we say goodnight to them, we pick up today's eggs. We then go on to pick tomorrow's salad. The lettuce and chard in the greenhouse will be coming out next week to make room for cucumbers, but for now we're enjoying masses of fresh leaves. Salad rocket and spinach are next to add. These are happily growing outside in the veggie plot next to our next succession of lettuce and peas. Next we're on to the rhubarb, which can only mean one thing: a crumble won't be too far away. Always pull your rhubarb from the base near the crown and never cut it to prevent rot. We harvest like this every week from late March until early July, when we let the plants recover before winter. Remove the poisonous leaves and, like any weeds you collect as you wander around, stick it on the compost heap. This year's garden waste will become next year's nutritious mulch and compost, so make sure nothing goes to waste. Not a bad harvest after all. See you later.